Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start with our lesson number 5, that is working with styles and object, and this lesson is on page number 48. So this is very easy lesson, and again this styles and objects are based on your MS Word. So we have done lot of things about the MS Word in lesson number 4, and now we are going to learn more things in lesson number 5. So quickly we are going to start what we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, so I have written this, the main points which is available in your book. Okay, so lesson number 5, name of the lesson is your working with styles and object, and in that first we are going to learn about the styles. Now what are styles? Styles are the predefined type of text which we can apply to our paragraph. Okay, like you can change the font color, font style, alignment, any type of formatting. So if we have done a lot of formatting to a single text, like we have changed the font size also, we have changed the color also, we have changed the alignment also, so all these activities together is known as your style. Okay, so there are different styles. So two types of styles are there. One is your character style and second is your paragraph style. And where that styles is available? On your home tab. Okay, where that this is your available on your home tab. This is your home tab if you have seen. And this part is known as your styles. Okay, this part is your styles in your home tab, and you can open the style dialog box by clicking on this style launcher box. This is the style launcher dialog box. Okay, this you can do it. So quickly we are going to do about the styles, character and paragraph style. Then we are going to learn how to insert your word art, how to insert text box, how to insert shapes, then how to place text in shapes. If you have already inserted shapes, so how to place text in that. Then using your drawing tools which are available in your shapes only. Okay, then inserting clip art. Okay, if you want to insert some picture, you can use clip art. So what are that clip art? How to search that? Inserting symbols and characters. Okay, inserting your symbols and characters means the things which are not available on the keyboard and you want to insert something like that, then you can do that. Symbols and okay, then next is your, if you are going to see, inserting symbols and apply shadow to your object. So this is the thing which we are going to learn in this chapter, and we are going to learn this through practical. Okay, you have to read your book. I am not going to read this book. So what is your duty? You have to read this book after watching this video. So first is your style. Now we have seen where is that style. This part is your style. Okay, this part is your style where my mouse is moving. See, this part is your style. Now what is written there? Suppose I am going to select the thing, like I am going to select character. Okay, so character style will be applied only to the text, and paragraph style will be applied to your whole paragraph. Now character style means you are changing the font color, changing the font size, changing the font name, everything comes under your character style. But when it comes with the alignment, so what you are going to align? You are going to align paragraph, so that comes under your paragraph style. So two types of style. One is your character style which is applied to text, and second is your paragraph style which is applied to your paragraph. Now how to identify that? Now I am going to see my mouse is moving towards these styles, and these are your styles. Shortcut key for the style is your, to open style dialog box, is your Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S. Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S. Now I am going to click here. Now see, styles. What is written there? Normal. Which type of symbol is there? अगर ये देखो, ये यहाँ पर एक सिंबल दिख रहा है, म्यूजिकल सिंबल नोट टाइप का, तो दिस सिंबल इंडिकेट्स कि दिस स्टाइल इज पैराग्राफ स्टाइल. नो स्पेसिंग, अगेन द पैराग्राफ स्टाइल. ओके. हेडिंग 1 पैराग्राफ प्लस टेक्स्ट स्टाइल. ओके, कैरेक्टर स्टाइल, बिकॉज उसके बाद ए भी लिखा हुआ है. हेडिंग 2 इज योर पैराग्राफ प्लस योर कैरेक्टर स्टाइल. टाइटल इज योर पैराग्राफ एंड character style. Subtitle is paragraph and character style. Then your subtle emphasis, ये क्या है आपका? देखो यहाँ सिर्फ A लिखा दिख रहा है, means this is your only character style. Emphasis only character style. So in this way you can see different styles are there. Okay, like strong. Strong is your character style. Quote is your paragraph plus character style. So in this way you can see the style names. ये क्या हो गया आपका? नो स्पेसिंग. देखो मैंने यहाँ जैसे ही लिखा तो ये क्या आ रहा है? फॉन्ट. फॉन्ट इज डिफॉल्ट प्लस बॉडी कॉम्प्लेक्स स्क्रिप्ट फॉन्ट प्लस बॉडी CS. पैराग्राफ कैसा है? इसका अलाइनमेंट है. ओके. स्पेसिंग कैसा है यहाँ पर? तो एवरी डिटेल विल बी मेंशन देयर. If you are going to click on that, the style, the combination of formatting will be displayed there. See, if you are going to place the mouse, the formatting style will be displayed. Okay, so this is your style which we can apply. जैसे मैंने यहाँ सेलेक्ट किया कैरेक्टर, उसको दे दिया हेडिंग, तो देखो क्या हुआ? कैरेक्टर यहाँ पर क्या चेंज हो गया? क्या क्या चेंज हुआ? उसका कलर भी चेंज हुआ, उसका आपका अलाइनमेंट भी चेंज हुआ. एंड दिस हेडिंग 1 इज योर पैराग्राफ प्लस कैरेक्टर स्टाइल. ओके, Control Z press कर रही हूँ मैं to undo changes. Okay. Now if I am going to select this and going to select only no spacing. See, this no spacing style is applied and this is your paragraph style. Again I am pressing Control plus Z to undo my actions. So this is your style. Now what we have understood by the style, two types of style is there, character and paragraph. Both can be applied to your text as well as your paragraph, and where you can see that styles in your style group. Okay, so this is your style. Now how to insert word art? Word art कैसे insert करेंगे? बहुत easy है. We have to click on insert. Okay, then we have to click on your word art. Then we can select any word art. You are going to write your text here. So I am going to write here hello. Okay. Okay. What happened? The hello will be displayed in this word art. Double click it to edit that. ठीक है, यहाँ किया हमने edit text. ये आ गया. आपको अगर चेंज करना है तो format word art. ठीक है. You can change the colors also, size also, line color. If you want to change, select any other color. Size, layout, where you want to place. See, so this you can change in that word art. Okay, now word art का ये देखो, जैसे ही हमने word art insert किया है, we are getting one new tab which is format. Now this can be formatted. If you want to change the style, see, the hello can be written in different ways. Okay, so this is your word art. You can apply shadow to your word art. Suppose you are going to give shadow. See, drop shadow, ये आ गया. अगर आपको यहाँ से लेना है perspective shadow, so this type of shadow will be there. Okay, if you want to give additional shadow style, so shadow can be selected. Okay, so this can be selected. ये ले लिया हमने. Now this hello and hello की यहाँ पर shadow display हो रही है. Okay, so this is your word art. How to insert word art? Very simple. ठीक है, पहले हमने क्या सीखा आपका कि styles, how many type of style, character and paragraph. Now we are learning this word art. Now next is your after word art. ठीक है, इस word art को हम सेट करते हैं, स्पेसिंग पोजीशन यहाँ कर दिए हमने पोजीशन. ओके, now we are going to talk about text box, how to insert text box. So whenever we are going to insert anything, we have to click on this insert tab. Then we are going to click on this text box. If you will see different types of text boxes there, you can select any text box and write the text inside that. Okay. Okay, anything you can write in this text box. Now we are going to talk about your shapes. What are that shapes and how to insert? I already told you, if you are inserting anything, you have to click on insert tab. Then you are going to click on these shapes. दिख रहा है यहाँ पर shapes? Okay, if you have seen, I am going to show you through highlighter. This is your shape. This part is your shape. कहाँ है ये? On the insert tab. Okay. So clicking on these shapes, you can insert different shapes. Different shapes are available. Okay, like I am going to insert this call out. So shape will be inserted. So the shape will be inserted. एक call out. कहाँ से insert किया हमने? Insert. Then your shapes and different shapes are available. You can insert any shape of your choice. Like I am going to insert this shape. Okay. Then how to write within that text? Next topic is placing text in the shape. So how to place? Select text. Now if you are going to write, you can write. Okay, first thing, or you can right click and then add text. यहाँ हम लिख पा रहे हैं क्योंकि वहाँ add text हो चुका है. That's why we are going to write here. Okay, if you want to write inside this shape, you have to right click and add text. The moment you click on add text, cursor will be displayed inside your banner. Okay, so anything you can write in that, like it's a shape of your bomb. So I am going to write your okay. You can increase the size to adjust the text. So this can be done. How to add text? Right click and add text. Okay, so this also we have done, placing text in. And now using your drawing tools. So drawing tools as such, no drawing tool is there, but different shapes are there. You can use it in your document. Click on insert, click on shapes, then different things are there. Even you can open new drawing canvas. Okay, then you can insert any shape. So you can use your imagination using your different shapes, and you can fill the color also in that. So I'm going to fill color in that. So you can do it on your own. So this is your drawing part. Now inserting clip art. How to insert clip art? Which tab we have to click? We have to click on insert tab. Then we have to click on your clip art. Now clip art means the collection which is given by your computer. So here we can search, or we can click on this organize clip. Okay, like your office collection, different things are there which you can insert in that. Okay, I'm going to click on this, copy, and then paste. So this is your clip art. Okay, now inserting symbols and characters in that. So inserting symbols and characters, how to insert? Again we have to click on insert. Okay, again I am going to click on insert, then I am going to click on these symbols. Okay, more symbols पर हमने click किया. What happened? Your symbols will be open here. Now you can insert your symbol. Like if you want to show the cut symbol, you can insert the symbol. Like I am going to select it. Size can be increased. Okay, or you can insert, even sometimes you want to write something in the Hindi also, you can write it online also, and you can write it from here also. If the very small part is there, you can select the Hindi words and you can write using your, जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिख दिया क, ठीक है. इसके बाद मुझे यहाँ पर सपोज लिखना है see, anything. Okay, so this can be used. Other symbols are there. The different shapes are in your reading too. Symbols are there. You want to put like pen, so you can put pen, cassette, any symbol. You can see different symbols are available there. So this is your symbols. Okay. Now applying shadow. So how to apply shadow? Select anything. Then you have to click on this. I'm going to insert shape for the shadow to understand the things. Okay. So first inserting a simple shape. And double click. Select any fill color. Shadow effects. So different shadow effects are there. You can apply any shadow effect. Okay. Then you can increase or decrease the shadow effect. जैसे यहाँ लेके देखो, ये देखो यहाँ हम क्लिक कर रहे हैं तो shadow नीचे आती जा रही है. See, shadow is coming down. See, I am going to click on this. If I am going to click on this direction, okay, right hand side, so shadow is coming towards your right hand side. If I am going to see, I am going to click here, shadow is coming towards your right hand direction. Okay, if I am going to click on this up direction, shadow is going in up direction. So this is your shadow effect. Okay, this we can do it in your what? Now we have learned how many things in this lesson. First we have learned styles. What are styles? Styles is a group of formatting which can be applied to your text or your paragraph. So two types of style, character and paragraph. Then we have learned word art, where to insert, click on insert. Style is available on home tab. Then text box is in your insert option. Shapes is in your insert option. Placing text in a shape, right click, add text. Using drawing tools, okay, so this is your drawing tool. Then you are inserting clip art, inserting shapes and characters, applying shadow. So now we have completed this lesson. This is only this much. Now what is your work? You have to read this lesson. Okay. And what we have learned in this lesson? First we have learned a style is a predefined combination of formatting features. ओके प्री डिफाइंड पहले से बनी हुई है प्री डिफाइंड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फॉर्मेटिंग फीचर्स फॉर्मेटिंग एक फॉर्मेटिंग नहीं है इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ फॉर्मेटिंग नाउ व्हाट इज देयर इन दैट ग्रुप font style color size okay then your any type of formatting comes under your style. Now there are two types of style, character and paragraph. Symbols are the punctuation spacing or hypograph characters that are generally not available on the keyboard. जो keyboard पर available नहीं है कहाँ से आएंगे? From your symbols. Then your word art feature allows the user to create a special text effect. Text box is a placeholder where we can enter your text can be entered and it can be moved along with your contents. Okay, shapes are the group of ready-made shapes that can be inserted directly into your document. So that's all for today. Now your work to read the lesson. Okay, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.